Okay guys, we came back because the batteries died on our meter. Jordan, hold that out, will you, so I can film it. Does that light stay on? Pull it out. Pull tension on it. We see we got a string on our magnet, and here's the measurement. Oh, the light's glaring. You're gonna have to turn it like this so I can read it. Like that. Hold it like that when you pull. Ready? So they can see. Get it, the tension on it. Hold it, let loose a little. Yeah, oh, it's froze. Gonna have to clear it again. I have to learn how to work this thing. And now I'm pulling about .09 point. It's stuck again. Why is it doing that? Anyway, it's zeroed out again. That's zeroed. Okay, I'm pulling it, and what is that? 0.1? That's really small. You'll see I'm pulling it. I'm trying to break the magnetic lock and measure it for you guys. It's ridiculously tiny. Okay, let me zero it again. Jordan's been working on the magnet. Okay, I'm pulling. You have to wait till it zeroes out. You have to leave it. Okay. Alright, there it goes. 0.1, 0.2. Not quite 0.2. Now pull that magnet, Jordan. Pull that magnet. Just unscrew those two screws. And what we're going to show you is the magnetic lock of this one. These two without the counterweight. We're showing you, we had to remove the shield. We put the shield on there and it didn't work as good for this tiny of a magnet. I got a real tiny magnet. Now on the bigger magnet, the shield worked better. So it's better to go smaller magnet like we were told. Okay, now it's gone. See our magnet hole? That's where our magnet went. And we also had the magnet, we had some magnets on these, and shimmed it up a little too. See our shims? So made it a little taller and fiddled around with it. Okay, now measure it, Jordan. Put that ring around there. Around that one. No, we just put the ringer. The last time we got to do it the same as we did, yeah. Go ahead, hold that up, and I'll bring this back for them. Okay, you got to go straight that way. All right, make sure it's over here. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Is it zeroed? Okay, there it's zeroed. Now begin slowly pulling till we break the lock. Already double, triple, 0.6, 5 times, 0.7. So 4, 5, 6 times more to break the, go ahead and you can do it again and write this on your paper. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 0.7, 0.7, almost 0.8. So that's 4 times. 4 times as much, approximately, to break that lock on that without a counterweight, counterbalancing magnet. 1/4. All right. Now that doesn't mean that it'll be the same if you're generating. That's just the cores. If you're using a conventional coil around here and you're drawing current off it, you're going to have to increase the magnetic push over here because that's going to pull harder. But in our case, we're only concerned with core material because our coils help the rotor. They don't hinder it or slow it down or cause more magnetism that I'm aware of at TDC or top dead center. It comes later and pushes it away. So however, you might still want to adjust that. So this is a mess over here. See, we had it where it was in there, and this is floppy. See that turn? See that turning a little? And this turns a little? Boy, all you got to do is turn it a tiny bit, eh, Jordan? Where'd he go? His school is out now. Its school is done. Later, guys. Okay, we're back, guys. Jordan's off school, but I wanted to show you we got it even closer, or I should say less lock, way looser. That's my favorite hillbilly. See that right there? How loose that is? Way looser. But anyway, all joking aside, let me get this on here and show you how much less. Now last time it was 0.2. Here's the meter. Okay, and we'll pull this string out here and pull it at a right angle to the magnet, like always, and I'll let you see. Ready? It's like 0.1 now, 0.7 on 0.13. You see that? And that's the way it is every time. Now, here we'll pull back again. There it is. You got to make sure it's level. All right. 0.13 was max. And remember, it was 0.8 with just that. Just locking that up. So we've improved it. I wanted to pop in and show you that. All right, bye. All right, now this is Brother Mike, and I'm back. This is the magnetic cancellation, and that's your block of steel, and this is a magnet, and that's a magnet on the rotor. See the rotor? The rotor has two magnets is all. Now, what I wanted to show you was I got the cancellation pull force down lower. Okay, here's the meter, and there's the magnet right there trying to pull past, and you'll see, let me get this zeroed. Okay, now I pull it, and I'm getting a maximum of, like, excuse me on the camera with one hand, right? I'm getting a maximum of about 45, 50 right there. Before it breaks, it's about 50, 40 something. The other side, remember, was 0.8, so that's at least 16 times more than without the opposition magnet. And maybe it can be further refined, but you can see that there's very little resistance there. Very little, if any. There is some right here that could be taken out, but this is so much better, and that's a great start. You could start that way. 16 to 20 times less, you're gonna gain some energy. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.